Now, amid a scorching summer in the national capital, people are facing water shortages, and there is political blame game that is raging. Delhiites are fighting over the most basic necessity, that is water. The Delhi government has clearly said that there will be no solution till a solution is reached when it comes to the kind of water that should be coming in from neighboring states. There are women and small children who are standing in unending queues for every drop of water. Times Now is reporting on the reality on the ground. Take a look at the reporters, at the reports that have been filed by our colleagues.
बहुत दिक्कत होता है। देखो कितना मार हो रहा है रोज यहाँ पे पानी के लिए ऐसे होता है। सुबह 4 बजे नंबर लगाए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी इतना मार हो रहा है। एक ही टैंकर आता है तभी पूरा नहीं होता है, नहीं होता है पूरा। कितना को मिलेगा, कितना वैसे ही चले जाएंगे।
अभी तक पानी नहीं मिला हमको। रोज ऐसी लड़ाई होती है यहाँ पे। जी नहीं, अब क्या बोले हम इन लोगों को, जैसा कर रहा है लोग समझ से बाहर की बात है। ऐसा होना चाहिए, सोच समझ कर काम करना चाहिए। जो टाइम इसका पानी का फिक्स है उसी टाइम पे आना पड़ता है ना। कितने बजे नंबर लगा? 5 बजे नंबर लगा।
5 बजे अभी भी पानी नहीं पहुँच पाया। आधी पानी है।
कितने टैंकर आते हैं यहाँ पे?
एक ही टैंकर आता है, उसमें पानी नहीं पुरता है।
In fact, the Supreme Court pulled up the Aam Aadmi Party government over the prevalence of the tanker mafia and water wastage amidst this crisis in the capital. They asked the Delhi government what measures have been taken against the tanker mafia. Further criticizing the Aam Aadmi Party government, the court also stated that if the government is unable to handle the tanker mafia, it will direct the Delhi police to take action. After this rap by the apex court, Aam Aadmi Party is busy indulging in a blame game. The Delhi government has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court where it said that it cannot take action against the tanker mafia and alleged that the mafia is functioning out of the state of Haryana.
टैंकर माफिया पे बिल्कुल लगाम कसी जानी चाहिए, चाहे वो हरियाणा के बॉर्डर के पार है, चाहे दिल्ली के अगर इस पार है, तो हम हरियाणा पुलिस से भी कहेंगे, दिल्ली पुलिस से भी कहेंगे लगाम कसी। लेकिन उससे समस्या का समाधान नहीं होगा। लेकिन जो 40 MGD पानी की कमी है वो यमुना में सिर्फ एडिशनल वाटर से पूरी हो सकती है। इसलिए हमारा सुप्रीम कोर्ट से भी आग्रह है, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी हियरिंग है, कि वो हरियाणा और हिमाचल के माध्यम से, अभी दिल्ली लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं चाह रही है। अगले 20 दिन की हीट वेव के लिए हम चाहते हैं कि हमें एडिशनल पानी मिले।
Now, Times Now has also accessed the Haryana government's affidavit filed in the Supreme Court. The response by the Haryana government pointed that the present scarcity of water in Delhi is largely created by the Aam Aadmi Party government itself. Now, according to the Haryana government, Kejriwal government failed to cut down on its water distribution mismanagement. The Haryana government even apprised the court that the state was giving 330 cusecs more water to Delhi than the set quota. BJP now is questioning the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar, alleging that the Aam Aadmi Party is shielding the tanker mafia. It's also going on to allege that Kejriwal government failed to, in fact, prepare for the heat wave.
I say this with tremendous amount of responsibility. 40% of water in Delhi is wasted because there is desiccating infrastructure in Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party government has been ruling Delhi for the last decade, and they have not done anything for repair or improvement of Delhi Jal Board infrastructure, nor have they done anything to control the operation of the illegal mafia.
Delhi government, while they filed affidavit in the court today, they basically say that we do not have the jurisdiction to take action on the water tankers because the theft is happening from the Haryana side. This is what they have told the Supreme Court.
Excuses, excuses and more excuses. If they had the political will to do something about it, this would not be a recurring crisis. Even the Honorable Supreme Court of India asked them, this is a crisis that happened in 2018, exactly. This happened in 2019, this is happening again. In fact, Supreme Court also pulled them up because the Delhi government suppressed the fact that they had already filed a petition before the Yamuna Jal Board, and that is why they returned empty-handed from the Supreme Court of India. As far as Haryana is concerned, we all know it is a matter of record that Haryana is actually releasing adequate water as per the 1994 agreement.